Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show some really cool stuff. What I'd like to do today is show you how to remove the background when you have a really furry element to your image. As you can see here, I have this really cute dog, but at the same time quite furry. Now, to get a really good and professional and clean end to the selection of your dog in the sense of removing the background could be quite difficult if you just simply use the remove background option. So what I'd like to do today is show you the steps that you need to take, and hopefully you take them and implement them into your designs, and you'll see the professionalism of your designs increase. First of all, what I'm going to do is duplicate the layer. The reason is because you always want to spare of the element that you're working or the image that you're working on, just in case you have any problems and you want to go back and start again. Keyboard shortcut to do that for Mac users is Command J. For Windows users, that's Control J. Now I'm just going to turn off our base layer and use the top one here as our layer that we're going to work on. With that layer highlighted, I'm now going to go to Select, and we're going to select the subject. Let Photoshop do 90% of the work there. And then we're going to go back to Select, and we're going to go into the Select and Mask zone. What you should try and make sure you do is go to View here and go to Overlay. Now you can change the color of your overlay with this option here, but I'm just going to keep that at black, and I'm going to keep the opacity to 100%. Make sure you have the color aware option ticked here, and we are now going to use our Refine Edge Brush tool to go around the edge, and hopefully we'll be able to just bring back the fur. You can see here when I start coming through, the fur of that dog really sort of looks a lot cleaner and professional looking. Keep going through, guys, and as you can see, the real professionalism of this selection is really improving. So we come around here. Slowly does it, guys. Don't have to go so quickly with it. A bit around here. We'll tidy up that area there. And now if we press OK. Before you do that, actually make sure you press decontaminate colors as well, and keep that 100%. And what we'll do now is press OK. What we can do is we'll add a solid color adjustment layer underneath here. Let's say we use black again, so we can see what we've done. Let's take that underneath. I'm just going to smarten up this area here. So I'm going to use our brush tool. Let's make sure we're using a soft round brush. So we make sure we're using the color black as we're using the layer mask of the dog layer here, and just smarten up this area. Just going to increase the size of that brush using the keyboard shortcut of the brackets. Bring the size of it up and just lightly touch. Let's go back there, Command Z, make sure we're using black as our foreground color. And like I said, just lightly touch that area there. Let's say a little bit around here. Like so. And as you can see, guys, the fur of this dog looks really, really professional. Now, if you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.